This is the #1 selling table saw in America and Amazon.com. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased it with my own money and I'm glad I did. I think I know why it's the #1 seller and gift table saw. Let's get into it. Impressive features like working right out of the box, the table saw blade already installed, the owner's instructions and the manufacturer's warranty included, the guard for the blade included, other accessories included such as your miter gauge so you can change the angles of your wood, the heavy duty fencing all included, works right out of the box, no setup required. The handy dandy push stick, as you get closer to the end of your cut, you don't want your fingers up in there, you want to use a push stick. Let's keep looking at the features and benefits. I think this might be one of the reasons it's the #1 seller. Portability issues. Table saws are heavy, difficult to move from job site to job site, or if you're helping a friend out. Most of them literally have no legs at all, so they have to sit on the floor if you're moving them, or bring a table with you. Horribly inconvenient. These legs are foldable. That means this is now a portable table saw. So you're simply gonna push the safety release lever. You can throw this in the back of your pickup truck and move it around to different job sites. This one feature for me was enough to desire this and make it easy to use. We have carrying handles on the side with the option of the feet folded up to move it or lowering it so you can use it on job site. That's perfection. These are heavy duty legs. They have a push button locking mechanism in the closed position and the down open position, if you will. The heavy duty fence is movable. You have adjustments right here. You have other adjustments. And this is the winding wheel where you will lower and raise the height of your cutting blade. Generally, you want it just enough to cut the top of your wood, but no taller, so you don't need it up very high. Check this out, emergency shutoff button. Even if your eyes are closed, you won't miss that. So the red is the emergency off button, and you can literally just take your hand and just whack it and you'll hit it no matter where you're pounded. That's smart technology. Now check how smart this is. All of your cuttings will come down here. You can simply put a 5-gallon bucket to collect it, or if you have a fancy collection system, this is where you put it. They give you a ruler guide so when you're moving the fence around, you know exactly how much distance of wood you're cutting. The fence goes nice and wide. Look at that. Very, very wide. And you even can remove it and move it to a different locking position. Look at that. Massive distance for cutting plywood, something wide like that. One of the most important safety features in a table saw is durability, and this is well built and heavy duty. If you want to check current pricing, look at the pinned comment down below and my video description. This Skill table saw is the real deal. I have used it on projects. I'm in love with it. I would buy it all over again. Let me know if you have any questions or if you already own this. I want to hear from you.